Alrighty, parents gotta make time. So, I got some time right now with the wifey. Wanted to talk about a few items that I was carrying with me today and a few items that I'm just carrying to talk about. Throw out this trash. Alright. Okay, so honey, what's your EDC?
This one that you made me.
Cool. What's that? That's a Victorinox SD A-Locks with that new pattern. Can you pull it up? Pretty badass. Put it back in. And what kind of flashlight you got on there? Low light, AAA. All right, so me and look at that gorgeous woman. God damn, mother of five. I think she has a car EDC too. She likes cold steel because of me. This is the kudu knife. Fucking slick little knives. Dirt cheap. Buy it just for the blade. You can make your own knife. Fuck the handle. Now it's time for a coffee break. The wife wants something to drink. And you're Dunkin' Donuts. Okay.